Hello viewers, myself Madhura Bashni Balasubramanian. In the previous video, we learned the concept child development and its relationship with learning. And in this video, we are going to discuss some of the important and previous year questions that has been asked from this chapter. Let's get into the video without any delay. In which stage children become active members of their peer group? Option A, adolescence. Option B, adulthood. Option C, early childhood. And option D, childhood. The answer is option A, adolescence. Because during adolescence, children would like to spend more time with peers and have fun at their max. Second one, which of the following statement cannot be considered as a feature of learning? So the given options are in the true or false format. We have to find out which is the false one. Option A, learning is something that occurs as a result of certain experience. It is true. Study of behavior is learning. This doesn't seem to be true. Unlearning is also a part of learning. Yes, it is true. Learning is a process that mediates behavior. Yes. So the option is B. Study of behavior is learning. We can learn something through certain experience. It is also a process that mediates behavior, and unlearning is also a part of learning. Third one, which of the following statement is not correct about development? So we have to find the false statement among the four options. Each phase of development has assaults. Yes, it is true. We have some interruptions during each phase of the development. Development is not aided by stimulation. It is false because stimulation is one of the factors that influence growth and development of a child. So the option is B. Development is not aided by stimulation. Next one. Which of the following development task is not appropriate to the late childhood? Late childhood is of age 6 to 12. So we have to find the correct answer. Option A, learning physical skills necessary for ordinary games. Yes, in that age, students will concentrate more on games and physical exercises. It is true. Option B, achieving a masculine or feminine. In that age, a child would not become a masculine or feminine. So this statement is false. So our answer is B. Achieving a masculine or feminine. During late childhood, children gradually become independent and learns to get along with their age group peoples. In the late childhood stage, they learns to play games. Which of the following statement is not true about development? Again, we have to find the false statement. Development is the product of interaction. Okay, let's see the next option. Development follows an orderly sequence. Yes, it is true. Development is individualized process. Yes, it differs from individual to individual. Option D, development processes from specific to general. Yes, it emerged from the ovum to a matured organism. Yes, it is true. So the option A is false. So the answer is option A. Development is the process which helps in emergence of matured organism. It occurs in an orderly pattern and rate of development differs from individual to individual. The meaning of development is. What is the meaning of development among these four options? It is a progressive series of changes. Changes about what? So this option is incomplete. So we cannot choose option A. Progressive series of changes as a result of motivation. So what is the job of motivation here in development? So this is not a correct option. Progressive series of changes as a result of motivation and experience. So again, this is not a correct option. progressive series of changes as a result of maturation and experience. So this is the option D is the answer for the sixth question. Development is the growth towards maturity and helps to attain new abilities and modification of behavior through experience. The best method to study growth and development of the child is option A, psychoanalytic method, option B, comparative method, option C, development method, and option D, statistical method. The answer is development method, because development method is a branch of psychology which is used to study the human growth and development over lifespan, including physical, cognitive, and emotional growth. What are the factors that are related to learner that affects the learning? What are the factors that are related to learner that affects the learning? Physical and mental health of the learner. Yes, it is true. Level of aspiration and achievement motivation. It is also true. Readiness and willpower. So the option is all the above. Next one, cognitive development means. During the types of development, we have learned that cognitive development is also called development of intelligence. So the answer for this question is development of intelligence. Which of the following is most essential for learning? Good percentage child relationship, high intelligence, good school, desire to learn. Only if you have a desire to learn, you can learn efficiently. So the answer is option D. 11th, which is not the good quality for learning? Making notes, extra learning, using guidebooks, self-study. Among these four, using guidebooks is not a good quality for learning. Next one. Human development is divided into domains such as physical, spiritual, cognitive, and social. Option B, physical, cognitive, emotional, and social. Option C, emotional, cognitive, spiritual, and socio-psychological. Psychological, cognitive, emotional, and physical. Among these four, option B is correct, because the domains of human development include physical, cognitive, language, social, and emotional domains. 13th one. Development starts from. From when the development starts? Actually, the development of a child starts from the conception. But in this four option, let's see the options first. Option A, post-childhood stage. Option B, prenatal stage. Option C, the stage of infancy. And option D, pre-childhood stage. Among this, conception is not there, so we are going to choose the stage of infancy. Adolescents may experience what where the experience did the adolescents have? Feeling of fear about sins committed in childhood, feeling of self-actualization, option C, feeling of satiation about life, and option D, anxiety and concern about themselves. Actually, they will have the feeling of self-actualization. So the answer is option B. Adolescence is the time where teenagers or adolescents begin to define their self. 15th one, which is the incorrect way to support the language development? Option A, letting the child talk uninterruptedly on a topic. Yes, it is true. Disapproving the use of their own language. So this is not a good way to support the language development. Supporting supporting initiation taken by children, true. Providing opportunities for using language, true. So the answer is option B. Naresh and Mukesh have same age group. They show quite difference in social and mental development. It is due to the following principle of development. Among these four principles, which principle is related to the difference that has been shown between Naresh and Mukesh? Option A, principle of modifiability. Option B, principle of definite and predictable pattern. Principle of individuality and principle of uniform pattern. We know that rate of development will not be same or similar between two individuals. So it is because of principle of individuality. Rate of development will not be same to all children. It differs from individual to individual. 17. Development occurs in human being up to the end of adolescence period, or up to the end of childhood, or up to the starting of adulthood, or throughout the life. We know that development occurs to the human being throughout the life. So the answer is option D. Which of the following principle of development is incorrect? One. So we have to find the incorrect one. There are individual differences in development is true. Development is the result of coincidences. So this is not true. Option C, it is a continuous process, is true. And development can be predictable. This is also true. So the answer is option B, development is the result of coincidences. 19. For the language development of child, it is important to, option A, give them opportunities to express their thoughts. Activities should be organized for developing language skills. Give practice to writing, reading, speaking, and listening. Option D, all of the above. All the above three options are necessary for the development of a language. So the answer is all the above. Human development is quantitative, qualitative, unmeasurable to certain extent, or both 1 and 2. We know that development is quantitative and qualitative. So the option is D. Both 1 and 2. That means quantitative and qualitative. Next question. Learning is dash. Option E, change in behavior. Option B, the result of experience. Option C, relatively permanent change in behavior. So the learning includes all the three options. So the answer is option D, all of the above. Learning is the acquisition of knowledge, skills, or behavior through study, experience, or being taught. Physical growth and development is called readiness, maturation, mobility, or heredity. So, physical growth and development is also called maturation. So, the answer is maturation. Child development, option A, emphasis is on process. Emphasis is on the role of environment and experience. It is the study from conception to adolescence. Option D, all of the above. The answer is all of the above. 24. Scope of study of child development is study of different stages of child development, study of effects of environment on child development, study of individual differences, and option D, all of the above. And the answer for this question is all of the above. 25. Factors influencing the emotional development are. What are the factors that influence the emotional development of a child? We know that each type of development is interrelated to each other. So if there is a lack in physical health of a child or a mental ability of a child, it will obviously affect the emotions or emotional development of the child. So the answer is all of the above. Emotional development of a child comprises of interpersonal relationships, love, health, self-esteem, discipline, and environment. 26. Social development means acquisition of the ability to have in accordance with social exceptions. This statement is of. We have to find out which psychologist defined this above statement. It was defined by Arlock. I suggest you to know some of the definitions defined by some psychologists. It is option A, Arlock. For the development or formation of concept in the student, the teacher should, option A, follow simple to complex method of teaching. Option B, provide opportunity to the student for ample experience. Option C, provide opportunity to student for transfer of formed concept. Option D, follow all the above activities. For the development or formation of concept, a teacher should follow all the above activities. Option, okay, next one. For the development of imagination. For the development of imagination, option A, sense organs should be trained, stories should be narrated, attention should be paid on the development of creative tendencies. Option D, follow all the above activities. It is option D, follow all the above activities to improve the imagination skill of a child. Okay. The most appropriate meaning of learning is option A, acquisition of skills. Option B, inculcation of knowledge. Option D, modification of behavior. And option D, personal adjustment. The most appropriate meaning of learning. The question is most appropriate meaning of learning. Okay. Acquisition of skills and inculcation of knowledge is a process of learning. It is a result from modification of behavior. So the answer is modification of behavior. Next one. Which of the following is the correct sequence of human development? We have to find out the correct sequence. Option A, infancy, adolescence, childhood, and adulthood. Option B, infancy, childhood, adolescence, adulthood. Childhood, adolescence, adulthood, infancy. Option D, childhood, infancy, adolescence, and adulthood. The correct order is option B, infancy, childhood, adolescence, adulthood. Which one of the following provides information about roles and behaviors which are acceptable in a group during early childhood? So the answer is parents and siblings. Which of the following age groups falls under later childhood category? Later childhood is of age 6 to 11 years. So without seeing any options, we can directly choose the 6 to 11 years as the answer. 32. Which of the following statements best sums up the relationship between development and learning? Development is independent of learning. This statement is not true. Learning trails behind development. This is also not suitable. Learning and development are synonymous terms. This is not true. Learning and development are interrelated in a complex manner. Yes, it is the answer. So option D is the answer for this question. 34. In the middle childhood, speech is more socialized rather than egocentric. So the answer for this question is socialized and egocentric. The period of infancy is from, everybody will know this answer, 0 to 2 years. So without seeing any other options, we can choose this. Which of the following is a principle of development? Which of the following is a principle of development? There is only one true statement, so we have to find out that true statement. Option A, it is a discontinuous process. This is not true. All processes of development are not interconnected. So this is also not true. It does not proceed at the same pace for all. Yes, it is true. So the answer is option C. It does not proceed at the same pace for all. Among the four options, only option C belongs to principle of development. Next one is understanding the principles of development of a child helps a teacher in option A, effectively catering to the different learning styles of learners. Option B, identifying the social status of learners. Option C, identifying the economic background of the learners. Option D, rationalizing why the learner ought to be taught. Among these four, option A is the correct one. Understanding the principles of development of a child helps a teacher in effectively catering to the different learning styles of learners, as each individual is unique in learning. In which of the following conditions the social and emotional development of the child will occur in good manner? Option A, when the child is considered important and his feelings are respected. For the development of social and emotional development of the child, this first option is very important one. So this is the answer for this question. Which of the following situations will help in the development of creativity? Option A, when there will be limited opportunities for learning. For creativity, limited opportunities is not suitable. So that is not answer. When children are asked to learn answers, when the solution of a problem is told to the answers, this too is not true. Option D, when children are given opportunities to learn on their own. Yes, this is correct one, and this is the answer for this question. When children are given opportunities to learn on their own. Early childhood is dash period for language development. Option A, not so significant. B, an unimportant. C, a sensitive. And option D, a natural. It is a general question. For the language development, early childhood is a very sensitive period. So the answer is option C. The pace of development varies from one individual to another, but it follows which pattern? Option A, a toe to head? No. Option B, haphazard? No. Option C, an unpredictable? No. And option D, a sequential and orderly pattern. This is the answer for this question. Development occurs in a sequential and orderly pattern. Which one of the following is correct about development? Option A, development occurs at a different rate among different individuals. Option B, development occurs at a very fast pace from birth till adolescence and it then stops. No. Development proceeds from birth to adolescence in a forward manner and then it goes backwards. This is also not true. Developmental changes go forward in a straight line. Option A, development occurs at a different rate among different individuals. Which of the following is not related to principles of growth and development? Among these four, which is not related to growth and development? Principle of continuity. It is one of the principle of development. Principle of classification. So no. Principle of integration and principle of individuality. So the answer is option B, principle of classification. because continuity, integration, and individuality are related to principles of growth and development. 44. Area of physical development is option A, nervous system, option B, growth of muscles, option C, endocrine glands, and option D, all of the above. So the answer is all of the above. In which stage the children develop great love for exploring and wandering? We already know this answer. It is option C, adolescence. In adolescent stage, the children develop great love of exploring and wandering. Sensation is a gateway of knowledge. The statement refers option A, mental development, option B, physical development, option C, attention development, option D, language development. The answer is option A, mental development, because sensation refers to 5 senses that enables the brain to perceive information. Mental development refers to the development which enables a child to explore and process information through senses in order to learn and understand the things around them. By motor development, we mean the development of dash in the use of arms and legs. Option A, mind and spirit. Option B, learning and education. Option C, training and learning. Option D, strength and speed. Development is related to physical development. For physical development, we need strength and speed. So the answer is option D. 48. Change in behavior due to maturation, etc. is also called learning. Statement are true or false. Option E, no. Option B, yes. Option D, undecided. Option D, sometimes. Change in behavior due to maturation is not a reason for learning. So the answer is option A. Which of the following is a sensitive period pertaining to language development? We already seen this question. Answer for this is early childhood period. Option C. Last question. Which of the following statements about principles of development is incorrect? Option A. Development takes place due to a constant interaction between heredity and environment. Option B. Development depends on maturation and learning. Option C. Every child goes through stages of development, yet there are wide individual differences among children. Option D, development is a quantitative process which can be measured precisely. Among these 4, option B is incorrect. So the answer is option D. I hope this video has been useful to you. Thank you for the support. Please do like, follow and subscribe our channel.